Hello everyone, welcome to the next video on the research paper writing. Today we will discuss about how we can rotate the table vertically on the full page in the LaTeX. Myself, Dr. Garg, working in the School of Mathematics, Thapar Institute, India. So what is the meaning of this today's lecture is there. If you have some table either on the Elsevier, or you can see either on the Elsevier, Springer, IEEE, Wiley, or any of the other professional journal platform. So if you have written the table in such form, you can see that the table is look like say this one in your manuscript. But my task is that how we can convert this table into the vertically of this size and it can fit into your manuscript. So this is the objective of this video. How we can do that? That is a very simple task. So that's a short 1-2 minute video is there. You can see all of you know that how we can insert the table. You can start the begin table and the end table, whatever you have used this. You can produce the output like this way are there. So you can see that I have written here begin table and finally on the end table are there. Now how you can rotate them into the manuscript? You can simply replace these two lines with the help of this begin sideways table and sideways tables. What is the meaning is that you can simply replace here begin sideways and end sideways tables are there. So you can see I can change them for you in this LaTeX file itself. So I can replace this as a sideways table and I can replace them here in the end table also, that's a sideways table. So if you want to run this, you will see there is an error appears on that. Look at that, this is an error, that begin sideways H is a question mark, that's error. So once you will face an error, how we can resolve them? You can simply use this line, add the package, use package rotating before the begin document. What is that? You can see what you can do is that this is my begin document. So before the begin document, you can simply use package rotating. That's it. And once you will run, your output will be you can see that now you can see your table will be complete into this rotating sides are there, and it's a complete width of the paper. So this is a simple way you can use them in your manuscript. Make sure that you have to use this use package rotating and the command as the sideways here. So that's a simple way. I hope you can simply learn this one. We will see in our next class that how we can color the text in the LaTeX. Like you can see that this is a simple table. There are consists of the 4 rows and the 3 columns. How you can color them as a green, red, white, blue. How you can color on the boundaries. How you can color them on a particular cell, or how you can color in a particular column size. So that we will see in our next class. That is how to color the table in the LaTeX. Till then, you can simply subscribe this channel for finding the more updated video on the research papers. Best of luck, students. Happy learning.